So, hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general relationship reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for singles for the month of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general readings, they might or might not resonate. Even if they're going to resonate 100% with you, that doesn't mean it's your personal reading. Just take the messages as the guidance only and use them wisely, okay? Any kind of decision taken based on my readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box and you'll find the links below for the same. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Virgo, let's see your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. है तमन्ना तुम्हें हम दुल्हन बनाए, तेरी ले लूं बनाए, तेरे सदके उतारे, है तमन्ना तुम्हें. Okay, so your current energies regarding love and relationship area. Maybe somebody wants to make you their bride or groom. Okay, let's see. Just kidding. We have the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands and the Nine of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Wands. Okay, so there's a sense of stability that's developing in you, and this on and off, in and out, just for fun kind of energies is not making you feel good anymore. Okay, the situations, the situationships, or the flings, the just for physical kind of connection kind of things, the on and off, in and out, immature or player like energies are not making you feel good anymore, and you're looking for something stable. You are looking for something that you can rely on and build a connection with for the long term. A stable, strong, long term kind of a partnership is something that you guys are looking for, and you guys are Six of Wands, preparing yourself for that one person, that one energy that you will be able to attract naturally and organically in your life without any kind of resistance. So you guys are working on yourself. You are trying to make yourself the center of attention of your own world. You are trying to raise your vibrations and keep your frequency in the high mode so that you can attract the right kind of person, right kind of energy, because you are tired of this kind of on and off, in and out kind of games and attracting immature kind of energies towards you. Okay. So might be you have had a connection with somebody, a very stable kind of energy at some point of time. Either you were not ready at that time or you were not able to recognize their value, and now you are able to. So you are now very much in this stable energy of knowing what you exactly want and looking forward to have that. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, newborn, new connection, Virgo. So we have the Strength card, the High Priestess, the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is a World card. Okay, so I am getting here the energy of lot of holding back. You might connect with somebody who like online or who is at a distance from you. Like there is a lot of physical distance between you guys. You might end up connecting with them and then there's nothing. Either you are going to ghost them or they are going to ghost you, or it's like going to be initial kind of communication will happen with somebody, but one of you is going to hold back and maybe ghost the other person, and it's going to lead to nothing. Okay, this is like the energy of initial spark, and then the spark going down because one of you is going to take a step back from the situation. The World card at the bottom of that deck represents completion of a cycle. So there might be something that will start, that will go on for a few days, and then one of you is going to end this cycle and this chapter, because one of you might realize that it is not going to lead to anything in the coming future. So what's the use of even thinking about moving forward? Okay, let me see the message from the romance angels for this new person, new energy, Virgo. We have the past life relationship. You have known each other before. You guys might be stuck on some kind of a past life relationship kind of a thing. Either a past person, past situation is still bothering you, and that's why you guys are not able to move forward with the new person, new energy, or you guys haven't met the one for you because you have a past life relationship coming in, and this one is not the one for you. Okay, I'm getting these scenarios here. Either you had a connection with somebody that you're not able to let go of because you felt like that person and you were destined to be together, and you might be still waiting for something to happen in that direction, or you haven't met that person with whom you're going to feel like you guys know each other from previous lifetimes, and that is why you guys are not able to connect with anybody new, even if you want to. Okay, let's see your energies for a past person, past situation that you guys might be still interested or stuck on. Let's see. Virgo. So we have the Eight of Pentacles and the Two of Swords and the Queen of Wands, and bottom of the deck is the Two of Pentacles. So, honey, with the past person, past energy, things are up in the air. Things are back and forth, up and down, on and off, in and out. There's no stability. There's no, stable path that you guys can walk on in this direction. If not both of you, at least one of you is very much interested in putting in the effort and energy to make things work out in this direction, but they don't know where the other person is standing in this situation, what the other person is up to. They are manifesting a beginning here, they are manifesting a bond here, a connection here, but because of the up in the air kind of energy, or maybe the person that you're interested is having another option too that they are dealing with, or you might be keeping your options open. That might also be one of the issues that is not helping you guys to come forward, come together. But anyways, this is like somebody interested in creating something meaningful between you and them, but things are not moving forward because of lack of clarity, because of lack of interest and investment from either side. Okay, it can actually be healed, it can actually be resolved between you and this past person if you guys want to, but you both have to come on the same page. You both have to uh, equally invest in the situation and show equal interest in the situation to make things work out. But nonetheless, I don't see anybody moving in, buzzing in, or doing anything about it. It's like up in the air. Okay, let's see for this past person, past situation, what is the message from the romance angels. So we have the trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Maybe you guys are having severe trust issues, and that is why even if you guys are trying to come back together, things are not moving forward. These trust issues are actually creating a very difficult to deal with kind of dynamics between you and them. So that can also be a possibility if both of you can manage to reduce these trust issues or resolve these trust issues. Things can actually work out between you and this past person. Depends. I don't think so this is that person that you had a breakup with and you're waiting for them like crazy to come forward and give you flowers and roses and whatnot. No, it's not that person. It's that person with whom you had a conflict with or fight with, or things are always on and off, in and out, but you guys are still in touch. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys for this month. I'll try to do the reading again in mid of May, but let's see for the time being the guidance for the month of May 2026 for Virgo in this department. So we have the Eight of Swords, the Star card, and the Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. You know, you guys have to get out of this mental trap, mental jail that you guys are continuously living in. You can't stop thinking negative about this area of your life. So try to focus on the positives of your life rather than the negatives. It's not about this area only, in general also. You might be keeping yourself stuck in a negative scenario all the time, being in the pessimistic kind of energy all the time. Try to flip the page and try to focus on the positives of your life instead of the negatives, and find a corner in your head where everything is crystal clear in every area of your life, especially this department of your life. You know exactly what you want, you know exactly how you are going to achieve it, you know what you have to do and what you don't have to do. in order to get exactly what you want, right? So get out of this pessimistic mindset. Try to focus on the positives rather than the negatives all the time. Try to remain optimistic and positive and open to the idea of getting the proper clarity and understanding of what you guys should be doing next in this situation, okay? And stick to the reality and the truth. Stick to that thing. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. Until unless you guys are going to not stop yourself from dealing with multiple people at the same time, or multiple situations at the same time, and dealing with one situation at one time, or taking things step by step, you guys will not be able to find the proper balance that you guys need in order to achieve what you want, okay? So you have to have the mental clarity, uh, and you guys have to remove this emotional confusion and keeping your energies all over the place, or doing so many things at the same time and confusing the hell out of yourself, okay? Let's see the final message for you guys as a guidance for this month, Virgo. We have very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you, right? You guys have to have the proper clarity and understanding of what you want, how you want it, and what action you are going to take, and how your nervous system is going to be going to respond to your manifestation. So work on this, and you will be able to attract your right partner, right on energy very, very soon, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.